Hello students. So our next chapter of G Science is chapter number 11, Cleanliness, Health and Hygiene. A clean body is a healthy body. As we all know that we need to follow some good habits to keep ourselves clean. So today we will discuss some good habits to keep ourselves neat and clean. First, we must brush twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. It helps to avoid the tooth decay. Must wash your hairs at least twice a week, and you must also wash your combs and brushes. We need to keep it clean our body by take bath daily. So take bath daily so that your body will be neat and clean. Use soap and water to wash away the dirt and sweat. We should keep our eyes clean by washing them with water. Always clean your ears with a clean towel. Don't use hairpins, matchsticks, etc. to clean your ears. Always use a clean towel to clean your ears. Trim your nails once a week. Always wear clean and well ironed clothes. They make you look smart. Never wear tight fitted clothes as they can cause germs to grow. Always wear neat and clean clothes. And our body also require a food, rest and exercise to remain fit. So try to eat a balanced diet. In the balanced diet, all the nutrients are present: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, etc. So try to eat balanced diet. Avoid eating junk food. This is not good for health. Junk foods are not good for health, so always try to eat a balanced diet like milk, egg, etc. It is good to eat our meals on time also. It is important to exercise regularly to keep our body fit. Exercising helps us to build muscles. So in the morning do exercise. This is good for your health. And our body also needs rest. So we must sleep for 8 hours at night. Sleeping helps a tired body to recover. So we need 8 hours. 8 hours of sleeping in one day. Next one is to keep our body neat and clean. Always keep your surrounding and house neat and clean. If your house and surrounding is neat and clean, then you can protect yourself from many diseases. The bathrooms of your houses should be cleaned with the phenyl. The drains outside the house should be covered so that the flies and mosquitoes do not breed on them. So always keep your surrounding neat and clean, and house also. The floor of the house should be mopped daily so that no germs can generate. The household garbage should be collected in a dustbin. The doors and windows of the houses should be fitted with the wire mesh so that no flies and mosquitoes enter in your room. And it is our responsibility to keep our house and surrounding clean. Garbage should be collected, always the garbage should be collected in a covered dustbins. It should not be thrown in open. Dirty water coming from the houses should not be allowed to collect nearby the house. There should be a proper drainage system so that the dirty water don't collect the dirty water in puddles, because the mosquitoes breed in them. So try to collect the water in a proper drainage system. Never spit in the open. This also spit attracts the germs and flies that can spread infection. So there is a one movement, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, started by our PM Narendra Modi. According to this movement, in the government of India to clean the streets, roads, infrastructure of the country, this movement is started. This companion was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is India's largest ever cleanliness drive. There are some objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Public awareness provided about the drawbacks to open defecation and promotion of use of latrine, etc. To keep the villages clean, to bring water pipes in villages, ensuring water supply to the households. We should incur the same sense of responsibility with ourselves in order to support the companion. So we should follow these rules of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and it is our responsibility to keep our house and surrounding clean, so that we should protect ourselves from many diseases. If our surrounding is clean, then there is no chance of any disease. So keep yourself and your surrounding and your house clean. Thank you.